A mutually beneficial road of interconnection has spread before us. The Silk Road Economic Belt and 21st Century Maritime Silk Road begins with overland railways and sea lanes in China, connecting trade routes throughout Asia, Africa, and Europe, and will directly affect billions of people across the world. It's planned as one of the largest and most comprehensive development projects in human history. As it progresses, it will improve infrastructure all along the route. A network of highways, railways, ports, as well as facilities for energy, healthcare, and education. It aims to provide assistance in areas where it is desperately needed, allowing isolated regions to develop together and to facilitate investment, trade, and cultural exchange. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and the Silk Road Fund are already providing financing, and opportunities remain for investors from the private sector. The Belt and Road Initiative is all about opportunities to grow, to build, and to prosper together. The road that links us all.